Hi guys, what if I tell you that instead of just listening your NVDA's beep sound like this, you can now create any type of music using this beep sound like this. It sounds amazing, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create these type of amazing musics by using your NVDA and with the help of Chat GPT. Without further delay, Ratul this side from VI Tech Academy. Let's start. To create this amazing music, you have to follow few steps. First, you need to download the NVDA add-on called Tone Master. I will tell you from where you can download this add-on at the end of this video. After downloading this add-on, you can get the total instructions. But don't worry friends, in this video I'm going to tell you the instructions. Here you need to manage some parameters. You have some parameters and based on that parameters you can create the music. So let us see how the parameter works. So this is a file where I have created a code and here you can see three parameters. 262, this is the parameter for the megahertz or for the music. Let's say 1000 hertz, 100 hertz, 500 hertz. Then you need to give the colon and then you have to enter the duration of that parameter or the duration parameter where you have to enter how much it will play and you have to give it in millisecond. So let's say 500 means 500 milliseconds, which means the NVDA sound or NVDA beep at 262 megahertz will play 500 milliseconds. Then you have to give the silence in second.
0:0.3.
Again you have to use the colon for the separator, then 0.3, so 3 seconds. 0.3 millisecond, not seconds, 0.3 milliseconds. Okay, so this is how you can create the code. Then press enter and write the second line. If you want to add any comment, you have to use the hash sign or number sign, which is assigned in Shift+3. But it is quite tough to create these type of music just by typing manually. So we will see how we can easily do that using ChatGPT. For that, let's open another notepad. Now you can see a complete command or complete prompt which you have to send to the ChatGPT first. So let me copy this command and let me open the ChatGPT. I'm going to start a new chat by pressing Ctrl+Shift+O.
Message ChatGPT.
Now first, I will give the sequence to the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT whether it's understand or not. If ChatGPT understood our sequence, then only I'll write the prompt. I will write the tone name or tone style and ChatGPT will give me the code. So let's paste the prompt here and I'm sending it. Before sending it, let's check it.
The results that specify I want to create music with NVDA. There is a program, but I need the code for playing it properly. So I am giving you the instructions. Please understand that and provide me the code for the mentioned tune.
Okay.
I want to create music with NVDA. There is 1, 2, 3 music with NVDA. Using
No worries. I'll give you this complete code and complete prompt in our official WhatsApp channel. So please join our official WhatsApp channel. There you will get this prompt. Now I'm sending it because it is a large prompt. So that's why I'll give you and you can see. So I'm pressing enter here.
Unselected.
Now let's wait for ChatGPT's answers.
User graph button. ChatGPT.
Now see.
Yes, I understand your requirements. Please go ahead and provide the sequence for the music you'd like to create using Tone Master and I'll assist you in generating the code accordingly. Clickable button. Okay, so ChatGPT have the idea, the sequence which we want, right? So it's in
really intelligence, right? So now I'm just going to the edit box
Message chat.
and write the prompt. Let's say we want to create a song of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So now I'm writing the prompt. Give me the code.
The
Code
of FO for
for Twinkle Twinkle song.
twinkle. The twinkle song using the
above sequence.
above sequence.
Now I'm sending it. Let's wait.
Out of edit button. User button. Chat GPT. Certainly. Here's the code for the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star melody using the specified sequence format. Make
See.
file. Clickable button. Copy code.
So now you need to copy the code, but before copy the code, let's see.
659:200.0.1.
Okay.
659:200.0.1.
So
Clickable button. Copy code.
let me copy it.
Chat GPT.
Now how you can use the code? Now you have to create a new .tdf file. But where you need to create the .tdf file? For this, go to NVDA menu,
NVDA menu.
Tools,
View log L.
then press up arrow until you find Tone Master submenu.
Check Skednow's remote timer tone master submenu T.
Expand the submenu using right arrow.
New tone data file N.
Press down arrow. You can also create new tone data file from here, but sometimes it will not work. So I'll show you the best option.
Load tone data. Edit tone data file. Open folder with tone data files O.
Press enter here
Tones.
and it will take you to the folder where all the TDF files are stored, and you have to create a new TDF file here. Now to create a new TDF file, press Alt key,
New button collapsed 1 of 9.
press spacebar here,
Folder 1 of 12.
press up arrow until you hear txt.
WinRAR microtext document 10 of 12.
Okay, text document, press enter.
Items view list. New
Type the file name which you want to give. Now here I want to give the file name tw1
selection.
because there is already a file name with tw.tdf, so I'm giving tw1.tdf.
T's up.
Okay, now I'm removing the .txt extension.
Blank txt dot.
Now pressing enter.
Rename dialog if you change
Again.
the tones. Items view list. tw1.tdf.
Now I'm pressing enter here and it will open the file through Notepad.
Star I want to create me blank. Blank. Blank.
It is blank. Now I'm pasting the code here. Now after pasting the code, I'm saving it by pressing Ctrl plus S. Now in the next step, you need to press Alt, Insert L or Alt NVDA L to load your TDF file.
Load tone data dialog. Select tone data file you wish to load.
Now you need to choose the file by pressing up arrow and down arrow. So here my file name is tw1.tdf. So let me find it.
Test1. Birthday. Test1. Test2. Test3. tw.tw1.tdf.
Okay. Now I'm pressing tab.
OK button.
Click OK.
tw1.tdf.
Now it is loaded. To play this file, press Alt, Insert plus T. To stop the file, press Alt, Shift, Insert plus T. So now I am playing the file. So this is another tone. It is created, but at the beginning of the video, which tone I have shown, that is the right tone for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So let me load that file again and I will play that file.
Load tone data dial. Test1. Test tw.tdf.
So I am pressing enter here.
tw1.tdf.
Now let me play the file. Okay, so that's awesome, right? So as ChatGPT is a machine language, so sometimes it does not give you the exact results. So you have to give another prompt again and again. You have to try again and again, and then you will be able to create the right song for you. You can also create happy birthday song and happy new year song or other song also. So please try it yourself and let me know your thinking into the comment section. Oh, I forget that how you can download this add-on, right? So to download this add-on, visit the NVDA Addon store and then you can download. Also, I'll provide the official website link of this add-on on our official WhatsApp channel. So don't forget to join our official WhatsApp channel and you will get all of this. Even I'll provide the code which I have created using ChatGPT to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, which you have just listened. If you find this content useful, don't forget to press the like button and make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more interesting content like this for free. Thank you for watching till the end. See you soon with another interesting video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.